Hello guys, in this video we will see very important command which is subtract and slice. So please like, follow, subscribe my YouTube channel. And subtract and slice is very important if you are working in AutoCAD and mostly in solid. So now we are going to see. Okay, so first we have this circle and we have this object. This is created by the line. So I am taking isometric view, and after that I will convert circle into 3D. So for converting into 3D, I'm taking press pull, and you can extrude also you can use. So I'm taking press pull. Okay. And now I'm going to make a hollow in this circle. So I'm going to again in top view, and again I will prepare one circle in this part, on this part. Okay. So this is my second circle, and I'm going in isometric again. You can shift and scroll your mouse, so press wheel and scroll your mouse, so you can also change from this technique, and you can also change, select from here view as per your requirement. So I'm taking extrude this time, extr. Okay, extrude, and I'm extruding this part. Okay, mode I'm taking, it is asking for the mode, like you can see. Okay, and just click and overlap the part both side, like it should be go in name in other side also. After that we will subtract this part. Okay, move this object, press enter. From here you can see this is going another side. Okay, now I will subtract this object. So press sub. Okay, this command use, and select your remain object, which will you want to remain. Okay, so click remain object. After that press enter and press on the object which you want to subtract. Okay, so select this object, press enter. You can see you can make a hollow to use this command, which is subtract. And second is slice. So simply we will convert into 3D, extrude. Actually this is not a join. Okay, so first join this line, select all line, join. After that extrude. Here select the mode, solid. You can like convert into 3D like this. Okay, and after that this is the one part. Okay, and I want to cut here to here. So in this case I will use slice, slice. Okay, select the object, press enter. It is asking for the first point, select here, and asking for the second point, select here, press enter. Okay, now you can see this is a two part. Okay, this is one part, this is one part. So for better visualization, press properties, PR. Here you can give the color. You can see right now we have a two part. Okay, so this is the way to use subtract and slice. So be continue, and please like, follow, subscribe my YouTube channel. I have prepared some videos on AutoCAD, so you can watch and learn. Okay, thank you.